So today I'm going to be doing a Mother Nature inspired tutorial. So I went to my little local field and picked up some foliage. So yeah, I'm really excited to film this because I've been planning it for a while now, getting all the ingredients, if you will. So I already have my primer on, and the foundation I'm going to be using is a mixture of the Inglot HD and the LA Girl Pro Coverage. This is like really full coverage and matte, and then this one's really dewy, so you know, you mix them. And then to blend it in, I'm going to be using this Nema brush. There's no name on it, but it's one of their vegan brushes. I think it comes in like a set, and they're literally the softest brushes ever. Then for concealer, I'm going to be using my Catrice Camouflage Concealer. I love this. And to blend out my concealer, I'm using a Madison Makeup Brush M5. Then to set all that, I'm going to use my Technic contour kit. This is so good. It's literally like €10, and the powders are really pigmented. So I'm going to just mix the yellowy and the more pinky one together. These are actually not even ready for like the prop I had for this look.
Your girl went all out.
Okay, so I feel like Mother Nature would be like really tanned and bronzy. So I'm going to absolutely pile on the bronzer. I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Okay, so I'm going to contour now, and I'm going to use the Technic contour kit that I showed you and another Nema vegan brush. It's like a little angled contour brush. I'm basically just going to mix like all the brown colours together. And then for blush, I'm going to use the blush that I always use. I really need to start switching it up a bit. It's the Milani Rude. It's the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Okay, and then for highlight, I'm going to use my Inglot Freedom Highlighter in 153. This is like really pretty inexpensive highlighter, and it's very glowy. Ooh. Okay, so I'm just going to do my eyebrows off camera because that's really boring. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so I'm going to start the eyes now, and I'm going to use my Morphe and Hiya, go away, not yet, it's not your time. I'm going to use my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette just because it has a lot of like earthy, warm brown kind of tones. So I'm going to use that kind of yellow shade as my transition color. I want this to be really blown out and smoky. I'm also bringing that underneath. Next color I'm going to go in with is this dark warm brown here. That's like my favorite color in this palette, and with this color I'm literally just going to go on the outer corner first, pack it on there, and then once it's pretty much off the brush, I'm going to sweep it into the crease. I'm going to go in a couple of times with the same color just to like really build it up, and again we're going to bring it underneath. If anyone wants like a really in-depth eyeshadow tutorial, like just a blending 101, comment down below. Okay, so with an even smaller brush again, I'm going to go in with this really dark chocolatey brown here, and I'm going to keep that just on the outer corner. I'm really going to pack it on first, and then once it's kind of where I want it to be, I'll start to feather it out a little bit. And also bring it underneath. Okay, so for my lid color, I'm going to use this little chrome paint shadow pot from Tarte, but I got this in America and it's literally the best thing I've ever bought. It's in the shade Park Ave Princess. It's just like a cream eyeshadow, but it's like the nicest color. Oh my god, like every time it just gets me. Okay, and then finally for the inner corner and brow bone, I'm gonna go in with this second shade in here. Cool, so that's the eyes pretty much done. I'm just gonna go and put lashes on off camera. Okay, lashes are on, and while I was doing my lashes I had a bit of an epiphany. I decided I'm gonna do some fake freckles just around this area because, as I said, this gal is out in the sun a lot. To do that I'm gonna use a little tiny liner brush like this. Can you see that? Like this. And then I'm gonna go in with my brow gel. So once I'm kind of happy with my freckles, I'm gonna get my foundation brush and literally just pat over them so that they kind of look like they're under my makeup, you know?
Natural and all
Okay, now for the fun part. I have these gold flakes here from Festival Flakes. I got these on Beauty Bay, and yeah, I think I'm gonna kind of put them around my cheekbone and then maybe like a little bit here and here. And then to stick it on, I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics Base Booster. I don't really understand how to put this on. I think I'm just gonna... Okay. You kind of have to like break it up a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna literally go for it right now. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. Bitch, is you blind? Okay, so my camera just died, so while I was waiting for it to charge, I finished off this situation and then did my lips. So I used a Jeffree Star Posh Spice and then put on top of it the Tarte paint pot thing that I put on my lids. Okay, now to really complete this, I'm basically going to cover myself in leaves. I'm gonna try and use like a Pritt stick kind of thing, see how that works out. I feel like I'm doing arts and crafts in first class. Ooh, that's perfect. Okay, so this is pretty much complete. We just have one more really important detail. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I feel like I can't really move too much because it'll all just fall off. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you decide to recreate it, definitely tag me on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.